Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome to everyone. Hope all of you are fine. As you know, as you know, we are discussing the new words of the lesson What Animals Do, written by Ghulam Hassan War. These new words are related to the sounds of birds and animals. So, here the word grunt, grunt. But which animal gives this sound?
Camel.
Yes, camel gives the sound
Grat.
grunt, grunt. Next one is bray, bray.
S.
Which animal gives this sound?
S's.
Asses, asses.
Asses.
Ass means gadha. Okay. Camel means oot. Yes. Next one is trumpet. Which animal gives this sound? Trumpet, trumpet, trumpet.
Elephant.
Elephant gives the sound?
Trumpet.
Trumpet. Yeah, okay. Next one is neigh, neigh.
Horse.
Yeah, horses. Horses use the sound? Ray, ray. Okay? Right?
Okay.
Yeah. Next one is hiss. Which animal gives this sound?
Snake.
Snakes give the sound hiss. And sukix a rat. When snakes hiss, they hiss. And sukix a rat. Okay. Yes. Next one is sukix a rat. Sukix a rat. Next one is hum.
B.
B use the sound
Hum.
hum. Okay. Right. Next one is goat. Goat bleats. Right? You try to this sound.
B.
No, in a loud sound.
B.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Next one is cackle. Cackle. Which bird gives this sound?
Hen.
Hen. Cackles.
Cackle.
Just try to do this. No, in loud sound. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.